Luke, one of the most pressing topics right now in statistics is the concept or the idea of unstructured data. Can you tell us about that?
No. No, I don't know what unstructured data is.
Unstructured data actually is a reasonably big deal in the dawning age of artificial intelligence. And people are looking for answers high and low, wherever they can find them. And the next frontier is to find information, sources that really just don't fit all that well into that cellular grid type of analysis. So things like lyrics to songs or headlines or photographs, they all contain information, right? But it's not so much like numbers in a spreadsheet as it were. And those new ways of looking and scouring the internet predominantly for actionable information, that push is the push into unstructured data rather than structured data.
That's an interesting new form of statistics, or form of statistics that seems very different than what we typically deal with.
Whether we're looking at questions or problems that are fundamentally competitive in nature, for instance, business or investing, you need to at least be familiar with the concept, because it is the new push or wave when it comes to open AI, machine learning, that kind of thing.